When you talk of entrepreneurship, that means working for yourself. And by doing so, you are allowing many others to join you and live their life. So that's a great way of working on as entrepreneurs. I have got one book penned down by Mr. Hari Khemka. The title of the book is On the Move. My journey as a relentless entrepreneur. I found this book and I thought this book is containing some tips and tricks to become entrepreneur and some advices, ready-made tips and tables for somebody to become entrepreneur. Then I started reading it. And when reading it, I found this is an autobiography of Mr. Hari Khemka, who is pioneer of many industry. And he has narrated and penned down this book as family matter, family story by his own views. He started it from Chandni Chowk, New Delhi. Their family belongs to Churu, Rajasthan. He has started the narration starting from great-great-grandfather and his way of working and his acquaintance with the Englishmen, the then British era. This book, while narrating the family stories, certainly gives you how you take decisions in difficult times, how you grab the chances at the right time. And this is what is entrepreneurship. Mr. Khemka has rightly told many stories from family, and this book contains how to take decision and how not to get disheartened when your decisions do not get the light. And this is how he moves on. And the title of the book, On the Move, is very correctly and very prominently decided. He has written there, fresh out of his school and still a teenager, joining my father's shop in Chandni Chowk was not an option, but it was the only option. Rightly. Every entrepreneur's story is different. Each follows a unique path to success. Even so, Hari Khemka stands out because of the sheer range of his entrepreneurship. From textile and paper to household goods, metals, steel, IT, real estate, sound technology, education, finally surveillance solutions, as he has been there and done that. So this says he has tried his luck in various trades and he was successful, and where he was not so successful and he thought it's not his cup of coffee, so he just left that and he moved on. The title, On the Move. It's so wonderful that the person at his stature, he is busy in his business. He is demanded, his time is demanded by so many people. Still he find time, and he made some 14 chapters on the book, starting from one good turn deserves another. Hare ke sahare. He is very much spiritual, I find, when he was telling the family stories and his own perception. He is very much towards the spiritual side of thinking. Hare ke sahare. Khatu Shyam Ji in Rajasthan, he is very much with Khatu Shyam. The happier curriculum, duty bound. He has shown he is a duty bound young boy to his mother, father and the family, the marriage proposal and how he courtship, and this is wonderful. I wonder how he recalled and remember the days old and years old happening of the event He has narrated the stories from his marriage time, that how the Chandni Chowk was crowded and then how the procession was done and how his wife came to the house to meet, and he remembered the details and very precisely he has mentioned. And when I was reading the book, I was looking for the entrepreneur's decision making concepts. So I like the way a entrepreneur and a big businessman writes such a book from his life. I would suggest if more of such big business tops can pen down their story, which can inspire many other youngsters to try their luck and deal with the situation coming up. He has one more center point to tell. The change is, you have to change every time. Don't think change will bring to the problem. You always change. Change will make you to learn new things, understand new things, and it will keep you moving on the move. He has shared lot many family photographs from his family, and even he has not made any reservation while sharing the family photos. I think it's a great strength of his own character that he can share the family matters in a minute details. The language of the book is very simple, easy English. Anyone would like to read, and nobody will find it difficult to continue reading. This has been published by the Harper Business in Noida, and this is costing you only less than 600 rupees. You can get it from Amazon. I just started reading it and I could not took break in between. It was so interesting to get involved in the story. It's like complete family drama going on and you are just watching and episodes are coming and going. So it was very, very interesting for a person to read. How her mother took decisions, family get divided. Still their cousins and their business acquaintances keep in row, even though they denied many of the decision and collaborations, but still keep meeting, keep dealing. So this is wonderful thing I find. Sharing of family photos, and then he has also shared many of the photographs from his foreign tours, foreign acquaintances, his friends, and he has shared some photographs from big shots like Mr. Raj Kapoor at the premiere of Satyam Shivam Sundaram, the big event. Then he has again many big shots with him. So this I find it's a unique way of telling your story, your own story. This is an autobiography by Mr. Khemka, and I think the young mind should and must read this. This is a simple English, simple language, and a family story. Anybody will love to read. On the chapter 14, the family matters, he has written one interesting dialogue between him and his mother, and I think it's a common universal thing for people to understand. And that he says he was on an overseas trip, he came back, and he says, I was shocked. Our home had revolved around a single kitchen of decades. It was a timeless tradition that had stayed unchanged even after my brothers and I had married. I thought it was preposterous. He said to his mother, you could have at least waited for me. The mother reply here in words. He says, it's better this way, she said firmly. At home, women find it more difficult to get on without conflict. while out in the world, men still find ways to work together. I think this is a universal energy. This is how it works. But I find many such things in the book, and certainly I will recommend even the young people, even the not so young people, to read this book. About Mr. Hari Khemka, has a reputation of starting business from scratch and building them into formidable entities. His incredible journey as an entrepreneur began when he was barely 19 years old. That is in the time of Chandni Chowk he is referring to. He went on to build a corporate empire that now has more than 40 branch offices across the country and another 11 worldwide today. He dominates the field of security and surveillance through his flagship brand CP+. Outside work, Hari has been proactively involved in various fora to facilitate charitable work, especially in the healthcare and education sectors. This is Mr. Hari.